Silver's gonna count.
We're gonna throw in nades too.
Oh my god, dude. Satchel scared me.
Okay.
Dude, I've been watching a lot of Survivor. Should I do a Survivor intro for this?
Hello everyone and welcome to Lucas Magic and the King Live play Valorant competitive on Valorant.
Oh no.
Two contestants go in. Do they win the game? I don't know. Find out next time on Survivor.
Probably not, probably not.
Probably not. Probably not. We probably don't win.
Oh my god, backside.
Last one's gay.
Big!
Plant.
That was not my best round.
I love, like,
We're gonna throw in nades too.
Flashing out. That's unfortunate. She pushed into the smoke.
it's unfortunate. Quite unfortunate.
Yeah, it wasn't good.
It's not looking good on Survivor tonight, guys. Let's see who gets voted out.
If we're voting out one, who are we voting? I'm voting Killjoy.
Just vote me off. Like, I'm done already. What do you get for winning that?
$1 million.
No shot.
Yeah. Dude, and to think we were gonna vote this guy off the island. He has a chance.
Yeah.
Redeem yourself. This is big. This is your immunity challenge right now, Killjoy.
There's the other one. Oh no.
Oh,
that was a very good trick.
He didn't win immunity. It's not our fault. Why am I flashing instead of our Omen?
They might have A. I'll go back Killjoy. Yeah, go back Killjoy.
Wait, we're going A? There's one in our... What? What was our entire team doing here?
145 to
We had one guy in hookah, and everyone else is just sitting here, and she walked up long. Oh my god, man. Please help, please. Oh my god, she's just sitting there. Jesus, this is Diamond.
I can't even win a Bucky duel. I'm done, man. I'm done. I suck at this.
Man.
All right, you guys want to push? Omen, blind here to here. I'll run in first. I'll arrow backside. Let's get it.
elbow smoke.
I'll handle this.
Didn't clear backside. Nobody tube.
One enemy remaining.
No.
Last one.
Team ace.
Wow,
We're
so
in
we
there,
all
boys.
got one
Well,
kill.
they sucked. Time to jump.
Last player standing.
Jesus, dude.
Run.
Time to jump.
I'll anchor.
Yeah.
Captain. Surprise.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
Boomer?
Bit.
That pisses me off.
Pretty well myself.
These guys have been bullying me all week, dude.
Ooh, I shot
Call me boomer.
60 damage.
Hurts my feelings, man. One hookah still?
One enemy remaining. Spike
Oh
down,
man, my pop
B.
flashes are not clean right now.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my god, dude.
You grab that?
Satchel scared me.
Bro, they're all. I did 105 to raise.
We have Killjoy ult.
Play retake. Your retake.
Play a retake. I'm on site. What do you want me to do?
Mid tube.
Neutralized. Healing area. Found them.
40.
Last player standing.
Wait, what? Surely not, right? Okay.
Dude, I threw. That was my
Grab
bad.
the op.
I just got tilted when they were like, Yoru, play retake. I'm like, I'm on fucking site right now. What do you want me to like just run out?
Under contact.
Yeah.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
That's some gay, I think. I'm not sure.
Wait, what did you
Shit
say,
smoke
Killjoy?
just for you.
Flawless.
Yeah, she had DN.
Did you
Do
say
you play as
last one was
Yoru
gay?
over Phoenix, or is this fun? I just like Yoru. I think it's fun.
I said last one. Hey, hello? Casey's just like, dude, this happens like every day. It's not funny.
No, I think it's funny every time.
It's just stupid humor. That,
Wait,
like, I'll try to
what? It gets people so often. I feel like most people would just be like, okay, whatever. But like everyone's like, wait, what? Did I hear that right?
They're heavy smoking and heavy.
You should run.
They're on back.
Okay, Silver's gonna counter all that. You don't need to back off.
Revealing area.
Big. Such a big dart, man. I can reposition to a better one.
Big dart.
Oh,
I thought you
it
killed
was
her.
I thought that was me too. I was like, I got her, boys. This is it, boys. This is my clip.
Match
Boy.
point.
You remember when 2 and 10 winnable teammate? I said 2-10 and I was like, I just want this game to be over. I think it was 5-10 and I was like, can we just like forfeit? Like,
No, you, wait, one you.
one you, one pocket.
Last one's getting.
Flashing.
Yeah, I said
You
it.
said it again. What the hell? Nice job, GG guys.
GG guys.
Defenders win.
See, what a comeback.
How did we win?
That is exciting when they're all talking shit like the first half and then we end up coming back from that. Like, okay.
The funny thing is, we didn't even play to come back. We just played to play.
Yeah, we were literally playing. Both you and I were like, can we just leave? Like, can this game be over? I came up big in that second half. Like, I was picking people off right away. I love defense on bind B because there's so many like weird fucking angles that you can play. Just like off angles in the middle of nowhere.
I was just kind of just not in the game, but then like when I see opportunity, I'm just like, I guess I'll take it.